Hey, what is up all you do-it-yourselfers? My name's Dylan Taylor and this is Dylan's DIY Workshop, and today I'm going to be showing you how to fix a shoe that the sole is peeling off of.
Right, so here's our problem right here is the sole came out and my feet have been getting wet right there, and I've done this with a few other shoes. I'm going to do it right now. We've got ourselves some shoe glue, and the way this stuff works is you basically apply it, hold it in place with masking tape, and let it sit for about 24 hours. And this stuff, it remains flexible, so you'll be able to use it and use your shoe, and it's not gonna just detach, and it's not gonna be one big old crusty mess. So what we're gonna do here is get our masking tape. Got some 3/4 inch stuff here. You could get that at anywhere. Get it anywhere. Get it at anywhere. Okay. So we're gonna open this up as far as we can. Make sure that the dirt is pretty well off of the surfaces we're gonna want to use it on. And here we go. This smells really bad. To apply it, just squeezing the tube. Making sure not to get it on your skin like I just did. And here we go. I also want a little bit in this lip so that water doesn't get in there. Hold this open with a pair of pliers and squeeze a little bit down in there. And take a toothpick, and we're just going to get that in between the two surfaces. The longer you take it the nicer it will look. I bought this pair of shoes for $8 at Goodwill, so I'm not too concerned about it. They just fit really nice and I like them. Wore them in the winter. That's how they got messed up. They got wet and then they froze. The ice expanded and then it broke them. It's okay if there's a bit of squeeze out. We'll use a knife to cut it off afterwards. Don't want it on the toe here because that's going to be harder to get off of there. Getting rid of our extra shoe glue that's on the table. Throw that out. Okay, and here's where our masking tape comes in. After we put the cap back on our shoe glue instead of getting it on our pliers. That's an important step, and wipe this off if that happens to you. Or you could just be more careful and don't get it all over your tools and your workbench. But this stuff works great. I'll leave an Amazon link to it. You guys can check that out. Here we go. Piece of masking tape. Push the shoe down and pull it tight and then attach it to the top. And we're going to do that a couple of times. It doesn't have to be perfect on the first piece of tape. I'm going to put another piece down. Hold it down in place, tighten it up, and there we go. Tight. Throw the piece of masking tape over it to hold it. Do the same over here. Pinch it tight. And you can always make it tighter, even still, after the tape is on it. So we'll go the other way. We'll put it on the toe first, and then we're going to pinch and pull down this way. Might add just a few more pieces of tape here just for some extra strength. There we go. And this just gets left for approximately 24 hours. We will come back and I will show you how well it looks in about a day. This other shoe is fine. It's starting to do the same thing as you can see right here. So I might actually add just a little bit with another toothpick, just because no one likes wet. Ready. There we go, and just a little bit more masking tape to hold that shoe together, and we should be good. Beautiful.
2,000 years later.
So I've actually let these shoes sit for 2 days, it is now, and we're going to take the tape off of them.
So I'd like to take this time while I'm peeling tape off the bottom of my shoe to thank all of my Patreon supporters. Thank you guys all so much, and a special thank you to the top tier Patreon supporters, Randy, Robin Bird, and Mike Maxwell. You guys are extra special. If any of you who are watching who aren't already subscribed to my Patreon page would like to help out my channel or myself in any way, shape, or form, Patreon is probably the best way to do so.
So you can see that there's still a bunch of glue on here. Not so much on the other shoe, but this one for sure. And that's just where we're going to take a knife and just not scrape it off, but just cut it off. Just really, really shallow cut. You're going to want to make sure it's a new blade that you have in there too. Okay, so that didn't actually work. So I'm just going to take some sandpaper. And so that is good enough for me. If you want it to look nicer, obviously the more time you take to make sure that there isn't any squeeze out at the beginning, then you won't have to worry about this coming out, and it shouldn't be a problem. But that is 100 times better than it was. It's not gonna get my feet wet anymore. There is a tiny hole here, but there is shoe goo down in there. Yeah, it's definitely gonna be more water resistant. You can see over here it's starting to come up again. So once this fails, I will use more glue and fix it up. But that is good for now.
Thank you guys all so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, maybe learned something new. If you guys are new, please subscribe. If you're already subscribed, please share this video with a friend. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, give it a big old thumbs up. We'll see you guys all next time. Peace out.